What is something that most of the people did in their past but you didn't? ऐसा क्या है जो बहुत सारे लोग पास्ट में करते थे लेकिन आप जो है वो नहीं करते थे? और what is something that you did in your past? What is something that you did in your past but most of the people didn't? But most of the people, ठीक है, करना क्या है आपको? सब्जेक्ट के तुरंत बाद जो है क्या लेना है आपको? सेकंड फॉर्म का यूज़ करना है, जो भी काम आप करते थे, ठीक है। नहीं करते थे तो आपको डिड नॉट के साथ में कौन सी फॉर्म में लेना है उस वर्ड को? फर्स्ट फॉर्म में। जैसे आई बिलीव्ड इन माई फ्रेंड्स, आई बिलीव्ड इन माई फ्रेंड्स बट यू डिडंट, बट यू, लेकिन आप नहीं करते थे। समथिंग लाइक दिस, लाइक समवन कैन से व्हेन आई वाज स्टडीइंग, when I was studying in high school, when I was studying in, I went to library every day. I went to library every day, but most of the students didn't. Like someone can say, like in my past, my all friends wore expensive clothes, but I didn't. But I did. Like some of my friends lived in hostel. Some of my friends lived in hostel, but few of my friends didn't. But few of my friends didn't. Like something also you can say. Like when I was a student, most of the students bunked their classes. Most of the students bunked their classes, but you can say that I didn't. That I didn't. You can also say like during lockdown. During lockdown, when I had no work, when I had I slept till 11 a.m. I slept till 11 a.m. But most of the people didn't. But most of the people, like few of my friends got angry easily. Few of my friends got angry easily. But some of my friends didn't. But some of my friends, like I woke up early morning every day. I woke up early morning every day in my past, but most of the people didn't. But most of the people also you can say like when I was doing my graduation, my all friends thought a lot. My all friends thought a lot to get a job, but I didn't. But I, like you can say that when I was a child, my friends afraid हो या afraided? My friends afraid of ghosts. My friend afraid of ghosts, but you can say that I didn't. That I, like she behaved rudely. She behaved rudely, but he didn't. But he didn't. Like also you can say in my school, I sat on the last bench. I sat on the last bench, but most of my friends didn't. Like when I was in 12th standard, my all friends studied a lot. My all friends studied a lot, but you can say that I didn't. I, like you can say that I worshipped every morning. I worshipped every morning, but most of the people didn't. But most of the people, जैसे most of the people did not take their decisions themselves. Most of the people did not take their decisions themselves, but I did. People did not learn from their mistakes. People did not learn from their, but I did. But my all friends submitted their assignment on time. My all friends submitted their assignment on time, but I didn't. But I, like also you can say, when someone asked me a question, in English, I got nervous. But my friends didn't. But my friends, I did not interfere in others' matters. I did not interfere in others' matters, but others always did. But others always did. Like also you can say that like during lockdown, most of the people watched news. Most of the people watched news a lot. Or maybe for the whole day. But I didn't. I always admired someone's good work. But most of the people didn't. Most of the people, I always helped a needy person. I always helped a needy person, but you can say that most of the people didn't. Most of the people. When I was in fifth standard, I used Rotomec pen. I used Rotomec pen, but you can say that most of the students didn't. When I was in fifth standard, I used a ball pen. I used a ball pen, but most of the students didn't. During lockdown, I every day wore a mask. I every day wore a mask, but most of the people didn't. Like you can say, like when I was a child, I ate chalk. I ate chalk, but most of the students didn't. Something like this, you can say. You can also say, like when I was child, I ate soil. I ate soil or sand, but most of the kids didn't. Like you can say, like when I was child, I ran behind butterflies. I ran behind butterflies, but most of the girls didn't. But most of the girls, like you can say, in my past, I helped my father in farming. I helped my father in farming, but most of the children didn't. But most of the children, like one of my friend clicked very good photos. One of my friend clicked very good photos, but I didn't. I like also you can say in my college time. In my college time, my all friends gave presentation in English. Gave presentation in English, but you can say that I didn't. You can say in my past I laughed a lot. I okay, unless I met someone.